Hello, this is the story of Die Drie Klein Varkies by Juffrou S. It will be in Afrikaans and English. Die karakters. The characters. Die jongste varkie. Hy is die lui een van die boeties. Hy bou sy huis van strooi. Hy gee nie om oor veiligheid nie. Hy wil net lekker hê. He is the lazy one of the three brothers. He builds his house with straw. He does not care about safety. He only wants a fun time. Die middelvarkie. Hy is bietjie slimmer as die ander boeties. Hy bou sy huis met hout. Dit is sterker as strooi. Hy dink hy het 'n goeie huis gebou. He is the slightly smarter one of the three brothers. He builds his house with sticks, wood. It is stronger than straw. He thinks he has a good house. Die oudste varkie. Hy is die slimste boetie. Hy bou sy huis van bakstene. Dit is die sterkste. Hy gee om oor veiligheid en werk baie hard. The oldest pig. He is the smartest one of the three brothers. He builds his house with bricks, which are the strongest. He cares about safety and he works very hard. Die slegte wolf. Hy is die slegte karakter in die storie. Hy is honger en wil al drie varkies eet. Hy gebruik sy krag en probeer die huise omblaas en die varkies vang. He is the bad villain in the story. He is hungry and only wants to eat the three little pigs. He uses his strength to try blow down their houses and catch them. Let's read. Eendag lank gelede. Daar was drie varkies wat hulle eie huisies wou bou. Hulle het gesê hulle wil self kies waarmee hulle bou. Die jongste varkie was lui en hy bou sy huis met strooi. Die middelste varkie was bietjie slimmer en bou sy huis met hout. Die oudste varkie was die slimste en bou sy huis met bakstene. One day long ago, there were three little pigs who wanted to build their own houses. They said they wanted to choose for themselves what to build with. The youngest pig was lazy and built his house with straw. The middle pig was a bit smarter and built his house with wood. The oldest pig was the smartest and built his house with bricks. Eendag. Die slegte wolf kom na waar die varkies bly. Hy was honger en wou die varkies eet. Hy sien die jongste varkie se huis is gemaak van strooi en sê, dit gaan maklik wees. Hy klop aan die deur en sê, klein varkie, laat my in. Die jongste varkie was bang en sê, nee, nee. Die wolf sê toe, dan sal ek jou huis afblaas. One day, the bad wolf comes to where the pigs live. He was hungry and wanted to eat the pigs. He sees the youngest pig's house is made of straw and says, this will be easy. He knocks on the door and says, little pig, let me in. The youngest pig was scared and said, no, no. The wolf then says, then I will blow your house down. Die wolf blaas. Hy blaas en hy blaas die varkie se huis van strooi om. Die jongste varkie hardloop toe na die middelvarkie se huis. Die wolf volg hom toe en sien die huis van die middelvarkie is gemaak van hout. The wolf blows. He huffs and he puffs, blowing the pig's house of straw down. The youngest pig then runs to the middle pig's house. The wolf follows him and sees that the middle pig's house is made of wood. Die slegte wolf. Die wolf sê, dit gaan moeilik wees, maar ek kan dit doen. Hy klop aan die deur en sê, klein varkies, laat my in. Die middelvarkie was bang en sê, nee, nee, nee. Die wolf sê, dan sal ek blaas en blaas en jou huis wegblaas. The bad wolf. The wolf says, it's going to be difficult, but I can do it. He knocks on the door and says, little pigs, let me in. The middle pig was afraid and says, no, no. The wolf says, then I will huff and puff and blow your house down. Die wolf blaas. Hy blaas en blaas en blaas al die hout weg. Die jongste en middelste varkie hardloop toe weg na die huis van die oudste varkie. Sy huis is van bakstene. Die wolf volg hulle. The wolf blows. He huffs and he puffs and he blows all the wood away. The youngest and middle pig run to the house of the oldest pig. His house is made of bricks. The wolf follows them. Die slegte wolf. Die wolf sê, dit gaan moeilik wees, maar ek gee nie op nie. Hy klop aan die deur en sê, varkies, varkies, laat my in. Die oudste varkie was nie bang nie en sê, nee, wolf. Die wolf sê, dan sal ek blaas en blaas en jou huis afblaas. Die wolf blaas en blaas, maar hy kom nie reg nie. Hy kon nie die huis van bakstene omblaas nie. The bad wolf. He says, it's going to be difficult, but I won't give up. He knocks on the door and says, piggies, piggies, let me in. The oldest pig wasn't afraid and says, no, wolf. The wolf says, then I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. The wolf huffs and puffs, but he can't succeed. He couldn't blow the house of bricks down. Die slegte wolf. Die wolf was baie kwaad en dink toe om deur die skoorsteen te gaan. The bad wolf. The wolf was very angry and then thought to go through the chimney. Die oudste varkie. Die oudste varkie was baie slim. Hy hardloop toe na die kombuis en maak 'n groot pot vol warm water en sit dit by die skoorsteen. Die wolf het nie die pot vol warm water gesien nie. The eldest pig. The oldest pig was very clever. He ran to the kitchen and filled a big pot with hot water and placed it by the chimney. The wolf didn't see the pot full of hot water. Die slegte wolf. Die slegte wolf het gedink hy is slim en gaan toe deur die skoorsteen. Maar toe hy onderkom, toe brand hy vreeslik. Hy skreeu en spring toe deur die skoorsteen. Hy hardloop toe weg en sê, ek sal julle nooit weer probeer eet nie, varkies. The bad wolf. The bad wolf thought he was smart and then went through the chimney. But when he came down, he burned terribly. He screamed and jumped back through the chimney. He then ran away, saying, I will never try to eat you pigs again. Die oudste varkie. Die varkie sê toe dankie vir die oudste varkie, dat hy hulle lewens gered het. Die volgende dag help die oudste varkie vir die jongste en middelste varkies om baksteenhuise te bou. Hulle was baie bly en het gelukkig in hulle baksteenhuisies gebly. The eldest pig. The piglets then said thank you to the eldest piggy for saving their lives. The next day, the eldest piggy helped the youngest and middle piglets to build brick houses. They were very glad and happily stayed in their brick houses. Die einde, the end. Baie mooi. Very well done. And that is all for the drie varkies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tot ziens!